closed and placed on the walking track. The empty mold box continued to participate in pouring process after being brushed oil. The number 1 cutting cart takes cake for profile cutting to scrape both sides waste and mill grooves firstly. The profile cutting machine realizes non-stop switching groove milling tools, which improves the efficiency of the equipment. The green cake travels to horizontal cutting machine, which is equipped with 13 sets of columns. The design of multi-column and large span will avoid the phenomenon of sediment, cracks and edge collapse during thin panel cutting. The cake walks to the vertical cutting machine. The swing cutting unit is fixed mode, reducing the damage of the cakes. Vertical cutting machine adopts frame pendulum structure, reducing the drift probability and breakage of cutting wire. The transmission components of the whole machine are equipped with Swedish SKF bearings to ensure the stability and service life of the equipment. Number 2 cutting cart will replace number 1 cart to improve the cutting efficiency. Top waste will be removed by vacuum suction cover, and the debris on cake surface will be cleaned by air sweeping device. All waste materials in cutting process will be gathered into a closed waste slurry pond and stored for later use. 7. Bottom waste removal and grouping section. After cutting, the green cake and side plate will be transported to the tilting table for removing bottom waste via grouping crane by turning 90 degrees and then cleaned by waste edge cleaner. After bottom waste is removed, the cake will be loaded onto the steam trolley. 3 cakes complete 1 steam trolley waiting to enter the autoclave. 8. Autoclaving section. The steam trolley will be pulled into the autoclave by the dragging machine. Autoclaving process includes 4 steps: vacuumizing, pressurizing, constant pressure, and depressurizing. The steam distribution process can adopt automatic system to ensure the stability of steam curing. 9. Out of autoclave and packing section. Exhaust the steam and reduce the pressure firstly after autoclaving. Meanwhile, all steam trolleys will be pulled out of autoclave together by dragging device and move on to ferry car after automatic disengaging, and then transferred to the finished product crane area. The single product cake will be transported to the return track of side plate by crane and moved to separating machine position. Separating process adopts frame fixed mode. The cake will be lifted by hydraulic lifting platform. The hydraulic synchronous motor is used to ensure the synchronization of the separate action. The guide pillar and sleeve structure are used for improving the separating accuracy and efficiency. After separating, panel will be moved to the panel conveying chain for packaging by clamping crane. Blocks will be clamped to the double cake stacking chain, then be transferred to the pallet by rotating crane. Pallets can be automatically distributed by the pallet station. Block product will be packed by automatic machine. The side plate will go through the return track and get cleaned by cleaning machine device. And dust collector is used to protect surrounding environment. The cleaned side plates can be stored by crane or directly involved in the next mold closing process. The packed blocks and panels would be loaded to the yard by forklift. The grouping or clamping crane are driven by rack and pinion and designed with encoder for positioning. An hydraulic lifting method is used for ensure the stability and positioning accuracy of the equipment. As a new building material with superior performance, AAC products will be widely used and have a broad market prospect. It will show great potential in boosting the world's construction industry intelligence and information development. Dongyue has taken a solid step on the road of leading the development of the prefabricated construction industry with spirit and strength like Taishan. Dongyue as a leader in AAC market.